week 6. So it's the 8th of February, Monday, and we're into our final week before half term. So last little push and then you get some rest. This week we are moving on to algebra, like I said before. And I know that sounds frightening, but I promise you it's going to be fine. Definitely will be fine. So as we have been, because they work really well and they're really clearly set out, we're going to be working as well with the White Rose maths still. So links and everything will be provided for you. You just got to remember not to panic when it comes to algebra. Don't get scared by its name or anything like that. It's just trying to find a pattern between numbers, okay? So just working out what the pattern is between a series or even just two numbers. Just trying to work out what that pattern is. Okay, so let me show you today what I would like you to do. And I'm also going to show you what I'd like you to do on Tuesday. And then I'll put up a video later this week for the other days. So on the White Rose website, oh, I'm on the wrong page. I need to be on algebra. Sorry about that. So I will send the link through to make it clear to show you here, but we are on Spring Week 5 number algebra, although we're in week 6 because remember we took a week off for our digital detox. However, this week we are going to be working our way through these sessions. However, on Monday, today, I would like you to look at the first video. It's find a rule, one step. So you're just simply looking at the relationship between two numbers and finding out the rule to then work out the rest of the pattern. Okay, so that is explained really, really well in this video. And then once you've completed that, there will be a worksheet, which I will show you shortly. And then it's going to be exactly the same for tomorrow, Tuesday. Find a rule 2 steps. So it's slightly more tricky, but again, nothing to panic about. It's just finding that rule, just finding the numbers, the link between the numbers. Okay, what's the relationship? And then once you've watched that, again, there'll be a worksheet. So let's have a look at the worksheets for Monday and Tuesday. So should be coming up. Okay, so this one here's the worksheet for Monday. You know that because it says find a rule, 1 step. So it's the same title, makes it really clear. This looks like there's a lot going on. Don't worry about that. There's not. It's just to make it as clear as possible. So as you saw in the video, or will see in the video, there's tables here that just break it down. So number of triangles, 1. How many sticks make up that triangle? There's 3. So in one triangle, there's 3. So then 2 triangles, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I'm starting to notice a pattern. If the number of triangles needs to be multiplied by the amount of sticks, so 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So my next one would be 3 times 3 equals 9. And I can double check that by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. As soon as you find that pattern, it's really easy to work out, okay? So again, please don't panic. So that is Monday's task. Tuesday's task will be exactly the same, but 2 step. So there's a variety of different things. So you have your input number as the video shown you, and then you have 2 things to do to it before you get your output number. So in this first one here, it says input, which might be 1, for example. You would then have to multiply by 5, so that would be 5, and then add 2, so that would be 7, and my output number would be 7, okay? Or likewise, if it was the number 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 add 2 is 12, and then 12 would go in my output, okay? It's really straightforward. Just relax, take your time. There's no pressure. Get as many questions as you can done. Doesn't matter if you don't fill out all of it. Just try your best to do as much as possible. Okay. So, Monday and Tuesday's maths. Find the rule, 1 step on Monday. Find the rule, 2 steps on Tuesday. So, I hope that's all okay for you. Everything will be available on Google Classroom, and I hope that you don't get too worried about algebra. Okay, have a great beginning to your week, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. See you later.